How to fix SIM not working or no SIM error on iPhone. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is to tap and hold this assistive touch and then click on restart. Most of the time, restarting the device has also fixed this issue. Once you've restarted the device, now the next thing you want to do is move into settings, head over to general, scroll all the way down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Once again tap on reset and then click on reset network settings. Now enter the passcode of your device and then tap on reset network settings. Once the settings has been reset, now the next thing you want to do is go back and head over to general once again. Move into software update. In this page, you have to make sure that you are using the updated version of the software. If the software is not up to date, then it might be the reason that you might be facing this issue, so make sure to have the updated version of the software. Or else what you can do is remove the SIM from a device and then re-enter it. Place the SIM card on a device in a correct way. It should fix the issue. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.